Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your playlist image straight from the Spotify mobile app. You do not have to use a computer for this. You can actually do it straight within the mobile app. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. What we want to do is down at the bottom right hand corner, select your library and then go to one of your playlists. I'm going to select my Lo-Fi Chill playlist. And you can see up at the top here that I kind of just have this washed out white grayish image for my playlist here. And if I want to change that, what I want to do is select the three horizontal dots right in kind of the middle of my screen here. So if I select these three horizontal dots, then I have this menu pop up and we want to select edit. The third one down, select edit. And now we can see right up at the top where it says change image. And if we tap on that, it'll give us three different options here. We can choose from our library, or we can take a photo, or you can actually remove the current image. And if you remove the current image, it's going to default back to kind of just like a collage of the different album covers featured on that playlist. So from here, I'm just gonna select a photo real quick. Or actually, I'll take a picture of a photo, okay, and then use this photo. And then last step here, really important, you want to make sure that you actually select save in the upper right hand corner. Otherwise, the image that you selected or the photo that you took will not actually save as your playlist image. So make sure you select save, and that's pretty much it. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe. If it didn't, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.